For making fruit custard, we need the following ingredients that are grapes, bananas, apples, and the most important ingredient, that is custard powder. Here firstly I have roughly chopped all the fruits, and also I have taken 18 to 20 almonds. You can take any fruit which you like it. Also I have kept 1 liter milk for boiling. These measurements are according to 7 persons. Till the milk is boiling, let's go to the further procedure. I have taken 1 bowl of milk. In that I'll add 3 tablespoons of custard powder. Now mix it very fast so that there should be no lump in the milk. This mixture is going to be added in the rest of the milk which is boiling. Here I am using Brown & Paulson's custard powder. You can use any one which you like it. Here our milk is boiled, so now we'll add the mix which we have prepared before. We have to add this mix gradually, not once at a time. If we will add this mix once at a time, so there are more chances of lump to come in this milk. We have to avoid the lumps in this milk. Now we have to add sugar and the milk. You can take as per your need. Now we have to stir the milk so that the sugar should be dissolved properly in the milk. Here our first procedure is done. Now we have to turn off the flame and let's go to the further procedure. Now we have to take one big bowl that you can keep in your refrigerator. So in this bowl we have to add all the fruits gradually. Guys, if you're making this custard recipe, do share your images with me on my Instagram. Instagram link is mentioned in my description box. Go and check it out. Let's add the milk in this bowl. Till I am adding the milk, guys, go and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you all will be notified whenever I upload my new video. Now for the garnishing purpose, I am adding almonds on the top of the custard. You can also add different type of dry fruits of your choice. I am adding only almonds. Now we have to refrigerate this custard for about 2 to 3 hours. So guys, after 3 hours, here our custard is ready to be served. So let's don't waste the time and serve this delicious custard in the bowls. Till the time I'm serving the custard, I want to share one thing with you all guys, that you are watching my videos. I appreciate, thank you so much, but you are not subscribing to my channel. Guys, please do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that I can share more videos with you all. So guys, if you like this fruit custard recipe, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also comment down below which recipe you want to watch next. So bye bye, take care, thank you for watching and happy cooking.